Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram instance not turning off. So to start, go ahead and load up Instagram app. Next, click your profile at the bottom right. So once you're here, click the three lines at the top right or the hamburger menu. Now scroll down and look for content preferences. Then tap on it. So once you're on content preferences, go to hide instance in inbox and make sure you turn this on. So with this is on, you won't see new instance in your inbox. So instance is a new feature on Instagram that lets you send disappearing messages similar to Snapchat. So once you turned on hide instance in inbox, so you won't see new instance in your inbox anymore. So you can now go back and go to your inbox on Instagram and you can reload or refresh the page and you won't see instance anymore. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.